Hey guys, how are you? I hope all are you fine and happy. Welcome back to Fashion Forward. Today we embark on an exciting journey to explore the world of women's footwear for 2025. From daring stiletto high heels to stylish moles and versatile sandals, this video will take you through the newest designs, styles, and trends reshaping the fashion landscape. So, grab your favorite pair of shoes and let's step into the world of elegance, creativity, and innovation. Discuss how stiletto were first introduced in the 1950s, becoming a symbol of femininity. Iconic designers like Roger Weaver, Christian Dior, and later Labuations who shaped the stiletto world. Over the years, stilettos have transcended cultural barriers, become a timeless symbol of sophistication and allure. Dynamic color palette, neon greens, hot pinks, metallic blues, and gradient tones. While bold colors are dominating 2025 fashion, architectural designs, separated heels, and asymmetrical shapes. The fusions of art and footwear, how these designs are redefining creativity. Sustainable materials, use of plant-based leather, recycled plastics, and biodegradable materials in stiletto productions. A look at eco-conscious brands leading this movement. Styling stilettos in 2025, office looks pairing pointed stilettos with tailored suits and pencil skirts. Party looks, glitter and sequin stilettos with cocktail dresses and evening gowns. Street style, chunky stilettos paired with denim and oversized jackets. Seasonal trends, heels for summer weddings, vests, winter goals. Behind the seasons, making of a stilettos, brief insights into how luxury brands create their iconic heels, craftsmanship, precisions, and the role of artisans in delivering perfections. Evolution of moles from traditional footwear to contemporary runway favorites, celebrities who brought moles back into mainstream fashions, open to moles perfect from spring summer looks with floral prints and pastel shades, close to elegance designs with intricate embroidery, velvet and metallic finishes. Black heels versus pencil heels, versatility and comfort for everyday wear, statement molds, animal prints, bold buckles, and fringe details. They were paired with flowy maxi dresses or chic clothes. Evening glam molds with sequined jumpsuits or elegant shears. Casual comfort, jeans, oversized shorts, and slap-on molds for effortless whips. Tips on keep suede and leather molds in top conditions, cleaning hacks for stubborn stains and scuff marks. Evolution of sandals, from accents footwear to modern day fashions essentials, sandals have evolved from simple footwear to a style statement offering unparalleled versatility. Flat sandals, minimalistic styles with pearl and metallic accents, platform sandals, chunky designs for bold streetwear aesthetics, strappy heels perfect for summer events and weddings, as artisanal sandals, handcrafted designs with cultural influence, beachwear, casual flip-flops, and vibrant slides. Formal looks, strappy sandals with embellished details for elegant evenings. Sandals with intricate embroidery to complement traditional outfits. Casual things, comfort-focused designs from daily wear. Simple tricks to break in new sandals without discomfort. Storage tips to keep sandals fresh and durable. We love to hear from you which style you are you most excited about for 2024 stilettos, molds or sandals. Share your thoughts. Stiletto heels, known for their elegance and power, stilettos have evolved significantly over the years. In 2025, designers are redefining these iconic shoes by introducing innovation materials, bold colors, and sustainable practice. Bright shades like electric blue, neon pinks, and metallic gold are dominating the runways. These colors are perfect for making a statement at parties or formal events. PVC and are back, giving stilettos a futuristic and ED look. Sustainable leathers, eco-friendly options like plant-based leather are trending. For 2025, many brands are focusing on comfort without compromising on style. Expect to see more padded soles and adjustable straps. Stilettos are getting a luxury makeover with intricate embellishments such as pearls, crystals, and metallic studs. Moving on to molds, the ultimate combination of comfort and style. These slap-on beauties are a must-have for every fashion enthusiast in 2025. The rise of black heels. Black-heeled molds are perfect for day-long wear. They offer a chic look while being practical for walking or working. Square toe molds are making a huge comeback. Their geometric shapes adds a modern twist to any outfit. Pastel neons, pastel hues, and neutral tones, soft colors like lavender, beige, and bluish pink are dominating mole designs, making them versatile for any wardrobe. Woven and braided patterns bring a boho chic vibe to your look. No footwear collection is complete without sandals. In 2025, sandals are all about blending functionality with high fashions. Flat sandals with glittering straps, rhinestones, and metallic finishes are perfect for casual outings and beach parties. Platforms are making a grander return. These sandals add height and a retro vibe to your ensembles. From knee-high designs to ankle-length styles, gladiator sandals are a major trend for summer 2025. Think sporty yet fashionable brands are introducing sandals with bold straps, chunky soles, and neon accents. 2025 is all about innovation. Let's explore some overarching trends in shoe designs this year. Sustainability, eco-conscious footwear is at the forefront. Designers are using recycled materials, biodegradable soles, and cruelty-free leather. Some brands are experimenting with integrated footwear like self-adjusting straps and built-in cooling systems. Personalization is key. Many brands are offering customizable designs where you can choose color, materials, and even engrave initials. The right footwear can transform your entry outfit. Here are some styling tips for 2025. Stiletto heels. Pair bold stilettos with minimalistic outfits to let the shoes shine. Try mixing metallic stilettos with formal dresses for evening events. Moles. Team neutral moles with vibrant dresses for a balanced look. Opt for embellished moles to elevate casual outfits. Sandals. Flat sandals work great with flowy maxi dresses or denim shorts. Gladiator sandals can add a can add an easy to summer dresses. Understood. Here's a starting outline for your two. How to style stilettos, pairing stilettos with formal and casual outfits. Celebrate influence, red carpet looks, and high profile endorsements. Versatile of sandals from casual flats to heel sandals for a formal events. Top 2025 trends, bohemian waves, metallic accents, and eco-friendly designs. Practical tips, choosing the right sandals for your feet, sessional sandals, styling, influencers and inspirations, popular Instagram accounts, and styling ideas. Why malls are a must have, comfort meets style in 2025. Fashion tips for malls, perfect outfits to highlight malls' day to night transitions. Spotlight on designers, emerging brands, revolutioning malls designs. Styling challenge, inviting viewers to share their creative ways of styling shoes. About footwear, common question answer like maintains storage and care. Ending noting, stay tuned to Fashion Forward for more exciting updates on 2025 trends. Keep walking in style. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more fashion content. Thank you for joining us on